to my channel. This video is going to be very special for me because I'm going to open a very special model which just arrived, and this is a new limited edition GT Spirit Porsche 997, and I just really cannot wait to see this. I know what is in the box roughly, but this is the first time I'm opening this and I'm more than excited. I hope you are also excited, so let's get started and let's see how it looks inside. I just try to open the box carefully. Actually, it's already a bit... Hey! It goes quite easily. Also this side. Okay, it's not really the important part. So let's get out this. Yes. A little bit upside down. And what is inside here? It's the box itself. It's very nice. It's a big GT Spirit logo on it, and immediately showing the size of the model, which is this 1:80 scale. Yes, okay. On the side already, I hope you can see it in the camera. It's already, you can see what is inside. This mixed 997, because the car basically, it's a mix between three Porsches, I can say that. So, when you take it out from the box, which is not that easy that I thought. Okay, I pull in it, no, it doesn't work. Okay, I try something else. Let's do like this, okay? So it has this protection. Sorry if it sounds very loud and video is strange noise. Okay, beautiful. They have in a box immediately special stickers for the very iconic, very famous Porsche Roadman's stickers. So you can really replace your stickers. I never seen a sticker sort of kit in a GT Spirit model box yet, so I'm excited, so I can do it by myself this. And here is the car, which look beautiful, and probably guys you can hear the rain. It's a massive storm is here. I mean, what you gonna do in November? So anyways, I hope it's not that loud. Here is the car in a box. I will show you also with another angle, and it just look gorgeous. I just love the color of the paint. Unbelievably beautiful. Okay, I'm going to get this out from the box now immediately. Yes, the good old screws. So I have to get my MacGyver kit again, and I think I just gonna do the same method what I always do. Close the box back, turn it upside down, and take the screws off. Let's do this. So, okay, this is out. Also this. Finally, here is the car. Wow, that look beautiful. Really beautiful. So, for the first side, I would say the quality, like always, is just unbelievably nice. First of all, I would like to talk to you about the original car, the original built old and new body kit car, which is the base of this beautifully done model here. The original one-to-one concept was built in 2018, and we are very lucky to having this car as a GT Spirit model car end of 2020, because we've been waiting for this all year long. As I mentioned already, this Porsche is mixed between three different type of Porsches: the 935, the 997 and the 956. First of all, The base of the car is a 997, so-called a Carrera. Old and New is a Japanese tuning company, and the main feature is, let's say, using the 935 Porsche feature in the front. This flat nose, as you can see, this is basically the name, the original name called like Flachbau in German, but it's been famous like a slat nose. So when we're starting from the front already, you can see this typical feature of the integrated headlights. So the headlights are just inside the front spoiler, which is a typical 935 thing. This slat nose concept basically first time being used on the original 935 Porsche, and the idea came from the legendary Porsche engineer, the Norbert Singer, and he used this his first time modifying the front because of the better aerodynamics, and it's really an iconic Porsche look, what they also later used for the 930 and so on. And this Old and New company using this typical Porsche feature in the body modifications, and I think it's very nicely done. Also, these tiny LED lights are very detailed on the model. What I'm really missing the original car having in the front this circles, and the model having this totally closed front here, but it's a not so important feature, I would say. So let's move over on the side of the car, and as you can see, of course, the wheels are beautiful. The body paint is a very iconic Porsche body paint from the 956 record breaker car. This was just basically also called like Rothmann's Porsche because this is so iconic. If you remember in my Porsche Museum video, this was sticked on the ceiling because of this extreme downforce. So this paint was used on this record breaker car. So as you can see, this white and blue also with the logo that I can have over as a sticker, but basically it's nothing to do with the front feature, which is a 935. But we're moving over on the side. These panels are very nicely detailed on this model, on this GT model. And we can also see the wheels. These golden BBS wheels are totally matching for the original Le Mans car. On the rear of the car, I love this spoiler feature. So this S line on the spoiler, I just love. A tiny criticism here that I don't like that this air outtakes or intakes. So this cutted parts are not really cutted, so they just have it at full. But altogether, I think it's a beautifully detailed, nice model car. The interior is also very interesting because it's having this roll cage in it. Like also the original car having it, as I thought maybe it's just a half roll cage, but it has the full roll cage. And this Recaro seats, yes, typical sports seats, red ones, very nicely done. The funny thing is that if you're checking the bottom of the car, you cannot find anything else. It's not nowhere written what type of car is this. Either it's like a 997 or 911. A tiny little detail what I don't like that much, that on the window in the front it has having this weird gap. First I thought maybe it's also space for some sticker, but it has a gap, so it's a little bit weird. But I think the paint is beautiful. It's very nice, shiny, and of course you cannot open none of the doors. It's really just to display. It's not a toy car. You cannot roll the wheels, but it's nicely done. I hope you like this unboxing video, guys, and I really hope that I'm going to come back with more and more unboxing videos, but I'm definitely coming back to you very soon. I would like to also hear your opinion, because personally I really like this GT car. I think it's super nicely done. I like the quality and the whole concept behind of this 997 mix, and I'm also curious about your opinion, and please leave a comment below. What do you think about it? Thank you for the support for Castheads and FutureDiecastBros. And don't forget to subscribe for my channel and follow me on Instagram on the GirlsLoveCars. Take care. Bye.